I know wishing for some way to be special when you make like them headsets.